Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou with a fresh look at the latest construction progress across the stadium. And as always, we're taking our time to break everything down clearly. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. Starting here at Tribuna, this section feels noticeably more open than it did just a few weeks ago. There's far less materials stored on the ground, with fewer prefabricated seating units and stair elements visible. Elevated platforms remain active, but the focus has shifted to finishing details like electrical adjustments, inspections, and final alignments along the black structural beams. Painting is almost complete, with only small unfinished sections remaining. Moving toward the diamond area, progress is steady but currently paused visually. The large glass panels remain staged nearby, stacked and ready for installation. Once glazing resumes, this area will transform very quickly. As we continue toward the south goal, work here is focused on preparation rather than visible installation. Platforms are active across several levels, particularly around the louvre support systems. While ceramic louvre placement has been slower than many expected, anchoring and alignment work is advancing carefully. This stage is critical, as every support must be precisely positioned before façade installation can accelerate. Once this phase is complete, visible progress here will accelerate quickly. If you're enjoying the update, please like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It really helps support the channel. Along the lateral façade, previously demolished areas are now being rebuilt. Reinforcement, formwork, and concrete preparation are clearly visible, especially around the widened parking entrance. These changes may not stand out immediately, but they play an important role in improving access and circulation once the stadium reopens. The completed louvre sections here continue to define the stadium's new identity, especially when viewed in direct sunlight. One of the most important structural elements on site right now is the compression ring. Crews are actively preparing pillars and capital components, with lifting operations clearly approaching. These massive elements are essential for the future roof structure, and every new piece installed marks a major milestone in the overall rebuild. Activity around these components suggests more lifts are coming very soon. Finally, we arrive at the north goal. Interior work continues here with scaffolding, pipe installations, and structural adjustments. Prefabricated seating is steadily filling remaining gaps, and support systems for future façade elements are beginning to appear. While this area still has visible work ahead, progress is consistent and methodical. That's going to wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Progress across the site continues to move forward step by step, with each section laying down the foundations for what's coming next. Even when changes aren't dramatic on the surface, the work happening now is shaping the stadium's final identity. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe for daily in-depth coverage. Thanks for following along with MegaVerse Builds and being part of this journey. And we'll be back very soon with another look at the transformation of this iconic stadium.